Hello, my love. Welcome to this sacred moment of peace and healing. You have arrived at the perfect place, exactly as you are, exactly as you need to be. Take a deep breath in and gently exhale. With each inhale, feel your body filling with light and serenity. With each exhale, let go of all tension, stress, and worry. This time is for you to reconnect, to restore, and to return to your natural state of peace. Now, let's relax your body completely. Bring awareness to your feet. Release any tension there. Let it go. Move up to your legs, your hips, your stomach, allowing each breath to soften and relax you even more. Now, feel the warmth of relaxation moving up through your chest, your shoulders, down your arms, and all the way to the tips of your fingers. Finally, release any tightness in your jaw, your forehead, your mind. Let your thoughts slow down like gentle ripples on a still lake. Your entire body is now bathed in tranquility. You are calm. You are at peace. Now, repeat these affirmations silently or aloud, allowing them to become imprinted in your soul. I am safe. I am supported. I am deeply at peace. I release all tension and welcome serenity into my being. I choose peace over worry, love over fear, presence over distractions. I am free from the weight of the past. I am open to the blessings of this moment. My heart is light. My mind is clear. My soul is at ease. I allow myself to rest, recharge, and receive the love I deserve. Now, imagine a warm, golden light surrounding you. This light holds pure love, infinite healing, and deep peace. See it gently washing over you, dissolving all stress, all negativity, all burdens. Feel this healing energy filling your heart, expanding into your entire body, radiating outwards like the soft glow of the sun. With each breath, this light grows stronger. It restores you. It uplifts you. It reminds you of the powerful, radiant being that you are. You are whole. You are healed. You are free. As we prepare to return to the present moment, take this feeling of peace with you. I am at peace no matter what surrounds me. I trust that everything is unfolding for my highest good. I am grounded, calm, and deeply connected to my true self. I carry this healing energy with me throughout my day. Take one final deep breath in and exhale fully. When you're ready, gently bring your awareness back to your body. Wiggle your fingers and toes, and when you feel ready, slowly open your eyes. Thank you for sharing this sacred moment with me. May your heart remain light, your mind at ease, and your soul at peace. Sending you love, healing, and infinite light. Namaste.